Today, I am reviewing the MSI Thin 15 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Thin 15 B13VE is a fascinating study in how much performance can be packed into a chassis that is designed for portability and affordability. After spending considerable time testing this machine, it is clear that MSI wanted to strike a balance for the user who needs a daily driver that can transition from a library or a workspace directly into a high-intensity gaming session without feeling like they are carrying a heavy brick. The first thing you notice when you pick it up is just how much it lives up to the Thin naming convention. It manages to feel sleek and modern while still housing some very capable internal hardware. At the center of this machine is the 13th generation Intel Core i5-13420H. While some might look at an i5 and think it is strictly for entry-level tasks, this specific H-series chip is a different animal. It handles modern multitasking with a level of grace that surprised me. Whether I was working on complex spreadsheets, streaming high-definition video, or running background processes while gaming, the processor remained responsive. It feels snappy and efficient, ensuring that the bottleneck in your workflow is rarely the CPU. When you pair that processor with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, you get a gaming experience that punches well above its weight class. The 4050 utilizes the latest Ada architecture, and the most significant advantage here is the access to DLSS 3 and frame generation. In modern titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or the latest eSports shooters, being able to leverage AI-driven upscaling means you can hit much higher frame rates than previous mid-range cards could ever dream of. Ray tracing performance is also quite impressive for a laptop in this category. While you won't be running everything at ultra settings with full path tracing, the way the 4050 simulates light and reflections adds a layer of immersion that truly brings modern games to life on a portable screen. The display is another area where the MSI Thin 15 really shines for the price point. The 15.6-inch Full HD panel features a 144Hz refresh rate, which is the gold standard for anyone playing competitive games. In fast-paced titles like Counter-Strike or Overwatch, the fluidity of the motion is palpable. There is a distinct lack of ghosting or motion blur compared to standard 60Hz screens, which gives you a genuine split-second advantage in gameplay. The colors are decent for gaming and media consumption, and the thin bezels around the screen help it feel more immersive and modern. One of the more underrated features of this laptop is the matrix display support. In a world where many people are working from home or setting up dedicated battle stations, the ability to support 2 extra displays through the USB-C and HDMI ports is a massive win. This means you can have a full 3-monitor setup for maximum productivity, which is rare to see executed this cleanly on a thinner laptop. The 16 GB of RAM ensures that you aren't going to hit a wall when opening multiple browser tabs or running demanding software, and the 512 GB NVMe SSD is remarkably fast. System boot times are near instant, and games load quickly, although you may want to consider an external drive or an eventual upgrade if you have a massive library of modern AAA titles that each take up 100 GB. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed and runs perfectly on this hardware. The interface is clean, and the integration with the MSI Center software allows you to tweak your performance profiles depending on whether you need the fans to stay silent during a meeting or go full blast during a gaming marathon. The keyboard has a nice tactile feel with decent travel, making it comfortable for long typing sessions, and the overall build quality feels sturdy enough to survive being tossed into a backpack every day. In conclusion, the MSI Thin 15 is an excellent choice for the pragmatic gamer. It doesn't try to be a $5,000 desktop replacement. Instead, it focuses on delivering a smooth 144Hz experience, solid ray tracing capabilities, and a portable form factor that fits into a professional or academic lifestyle. It is a reliable, fast, and surprisingly powerful machine that offers great value for anyone who needs their technology to be as versatile as they are.